In some other news, 86 days after ravaging floods destroyed the temple town and left hundreds dead, the Kedarnath temple has reopened. As the clock struck 7 this morning, the chief priest of Kedarnath stepped into the sanctum sanctorum of the 6th century shrine to resume prayers.
We are right now at the Kedarnath temple in Uttarakhand, where the Swachhikaran Puja is on right now to mark the opening of the temple 3 months after the devastating floods destroyed this small temple town. Now, as you can see, the temple has been decorated and several priests are here conducting the rituals. Chief Minister Vijay Bahuguna, who was supposed to be here for the puja, could not make it due to bad weather. Now, the floods that came here on the 16th of June completely flattened the area around the temple town. Also, you can see several feet of debris still lying here. The destruction is very much evident. So the Uttarakhand government had been working overtime to ensure that the puja could be resumed and yatra could be started. Although it remains to be seen if the yatra, if people can actually come here, because the roads have still not been constructed and it's really difficult to reach here. Only travel by air is possible here right now. The puja now, since the puja has started, the temple will remain open till the month of November, when it formally closes. Puja will be conducted here every day by around 18 members of the temple committee who will be stationed here till the month of November. So around 40 to 50 people will be here till the temple closes. These will include around 18 to 20 priests from the temple committee. There will be several doctors here, as well as police personnel and other emergency services service personnel who will be present here. With camera person Mohan, Trupti Rani Mehta, Times Now.